guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm back with another video. So I filmed this look for you guys. It's more like a full-time look, girl. And let me just say, thanks to my dad for hooking his daughter up and buying her a new lens, because you know my daughter, she broke my lens. And another thing, guys, your girl moved, you know, I moved to a bigger apartment, and I have my own beauty room. And this right here, you see, it's the room. It's a mess. Like, you know, I have like a month here so far, and you know, I'm still not done fixing it, so please excuse the mess. You know, like, I was beasting to do a video. Like, I'm like, yo, I gotta do this. It's bothering my heart that I'm not filming. I'm not being, ooh, look, I have to get like this fixed one day. But yeah, like, it was hurting my heart that your girl's not filming, and I promise that I'm gonna try very hard to you know, give you the extraness. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I promise next time I give you guys a video, we'll do a room tour, because I'm planning to hook this baby up. But just bear with me, and I promise there won't be so many messes next time. It's just, you know, people think this is a storage room every time somebody, whatever, I'm getting out of. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and again, thank you so much for watching, and I see you on my next one. Bye bye.